severe weather, such receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The alert will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Lee, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, Lafky, and Jay. In Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Holding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Marion, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For information, please see our webpage at weather.gov/IWX and click on the weather radio under local information. We now return to normal programming.
These receivers are normally conducted Wednesdays between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the next available good weather day. The warning alarm tone will be activated for watches and warnings issued for counties within the listening area. The reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, which is normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to regular programming.